Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Hyundai Veloster key fob battery. First, gather your tools. You will need a new CR 2032 coin cell battery, which is commonly available. Also, grab a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to avoid scratching the fob. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, preventing any small parts from getting lost during the process. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the physical key retracts. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or pry tool into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should separate. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. This reveals the internal components and the battery. With the fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Use your small tool to gently pry out the old CR 2032 battery. Be careful not to damage the contacts. Now, insert the new CR 2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. It should click into place. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob, making sure all the buttons and internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear and feel them snap securely into place. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. If you're looking for other great deals, like durable socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below for links and more information. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.